Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 from your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And right here you need to click the information icon near to your headphones. And right here we have a button forget this device, so you need to press this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but leave it at the device list and reconnect it in the future, let's say, you need to select disconnect. But we will remove it totally, so forget this device and forget device. After that, we can turn off these headphones by press and hold multifunctional button at the right ear cup, what located between volume up and volume down buttons. Just press and hold it. And now we need to check this LED light. Yeah, we just turn off it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.